The Board of Trustees of Franco British International University, Kaduna, has approved the appointment of Professor Abdullahi Muhammad Sabo as the pioneer Vice-Chancellor of the new university. Until his new appointment, Professor Sabo was the former Dean of Postgraduate School, Maryam Abacha, American University of Niger, Maradi, the founder and chairman governing council of Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, Professor Gwarzo, announced the appointment while presenting the appointment letter to Professor Sabo on Wednesday, the 12th of July, 2023. I wish to, on behalf of the Board of Trustees of Franco British International University, Kaduna, and Maryam Abacha, American University Conglomerate, present to you a letter of appointment as the pioneer Vice-Chancellor of the new university, Professor Gwarzo added. While wishing the new Vice-Chancellor a successful tenure, Professor Gwarzo expressed optimism that Professor Sabo would deliver in view of his international experience and intellectual capacity. He charged the new VC to ensure zero tolerance for sexual harassment in the new university. Professor Gwarzo described Professor Sabo's appointment as a well-deserved appointment considering his wealth of experience in the academia. He prayed to Almighty Allah to guide and give the new VC the wisdom to steer the leadership of the new institution to greater heights. Responding, Professor Sabo thanked the founder of the four universities, Professor Gwarzo, for finding him worthy of the appointment and pledged to justify the confidence reposed in him. It could be recalled that the Federal Executive Council on Monday, the 15th of May 2023, sitting approved the establishment of the two universities, Franco British International University, Kaduna, and Canadian University of Nigeria, Abuja, which are privately owned by Professor Gwarzo. Similarly, the federal government, through the National Universities Commission NUC, had on Friday the 9th of June 2023 issued operating license to the two universities.